Moths all around the world have evolved different threats to help them survive in their environments. Some depend on humans, some live in the ocean, and others roam forests and mountains. In this animation, we will explore four very different animals: the silk moth, the harbor seal, the red fox, and the gray wolf. We'll look closely at their physical features, behaviors, diets, habitats, and some surprising facts about each one. Number one is the silk moth. The silk moth, or Bombyx mori, is a small insect with several distinct physical traits. Its creamy white wings have a soft powdery texture. Its short furry body that is covered in fine hairs that help protect it after emerging from its cocoon, and it has large feathery antennae used to sense chemicals in the air, and small hook-like legs that help it cling to leaves and threads of silk. Silk moths have almost no flight ability because of thousands of years of breeding have made them heavier and weaker than wild moths. They also have very short adult life, often lasting just a week. Their main job as adults is simply to mate and lay eggs. Adult silk moths do not eat. Their mouth parts no longer function. But when they are caterpillars, they eat only mulberry leaves, which give them enough energy to produce silk. Silk moths live in only human-controlled environments. They are fully domesticated and cannot survive in the wild. Fun facts. A single cocoon can contain up to 1,500 meters of silk thread, and silk moths are so domesticated that they cannot fly or escape predators, even if released outside. 2. The harbor seal. The harbor seal, or Phoca vitulina, is boiled for life in the ocean. It has a streamlined, torpedo-shaped body that produces drag in the water, a thick spotted fur that provides insulation and camouflage, some large dark eyes that help it see in dim underwater light. Its short front flippers and powerful hind flippers allow efficient swimming. Harbor seals are mostly solitary, preferring to swim and hunt alone. They are also excellent divers, able to stay underwater for 20 to 30 minutes and sometimes reach deep waters to find prey. Their diet includes fish, squid, shrimp, clams, and crustaceans. They eat whatever marine animals are most common in the region. Harbor seals live in coastal waters of the northern hemisphere and often rest on beaches, sandbars, or rocks. Fun facts. Harbor seals can sleep underwater, rising to breathe without waking, and every seal has a unique pattern of spots, allowing researchers to identify them individually. 3. The red fox, or Vulpes vulpes. They have several striking physical features that are a red-orange coat that sometimes has silver or brown variations, a long bushy tail used for balance and warmth, a narrow pointed muzzle for catching small prey, and large triangle ears that can rotate to detect faint sounds. Red foxes are highly adaptable, able to live in forests, open fields, and even cities. They also have extremely sharp hearing, able to locate animals moving under snow or soil. They are omnivores, eating rodents, rabbits, insects, fruits, berries, and sometimes human food scraps. Red foxes have one of the widest ranges of any mammal living in forests, grasslands, mountains, deserts, and urban neighborhoods. Fun facts: they can make over 40 different sounds to communicate, and they often curl up with their tail wrapped around them for warmth, almost like a boiled-in blanket. 4. The gray wolf or Canis lupus. The gray wolf is a powerful predator. It has thick layered fur that protects it in freezing weather. It has long legs, allowing it to travel great distances. Its powerful jaws that are designed for hunting large prey, and its upright ears that help it detect sounds far away. Gray wolves are pack animals, living in groups where each member has a role. They are also cooperative hunters, using group strategies to catch prey much larger than themselves. Wolves are strict carnivores, eating deer, elk, moose, smaller mammals, and sometimes carrion. They live in forests, tundras, mountains, and grasslands, depending on availability of prey. Fun facts: a wolf pack can travel 50 to 80 kilometers in a single day, and the wolf's howl can travel up to 16 kilometers, helping the pack communicate. Comparisons: even though these animals live very different lives, we can compare some of their traits. The silk moth is far more delicate than the gray wolf, which is both for endurance and strength. The harbor seal is much better adapted to water than the red fox, which specializes in life on land. The fox is more adaptable than the silk moth because it survives easily in the wild without human help. The gray wolf is more social than the harbor seal, living in complex family groups instead of mainly alone.